Yeah. So, greetings and good wishes, and welcome everybody. First of all, we thank Naveen Housing for taking up this invite and joining us to present their projects. Naveen Housing is a household name. Everybody knows Naveen's. They are in the market since years, and it's a very ethical brand and a good brand to work with. Further, I also would like to thank all the participants who have actually joined the meeting today. So we are in a lockdown. This is an ideal time for you to understand what's the inventory in the market and work on the same so that once the lockdown opens, you can go ahead and offer this to your clientele. And the meeting flow is as follows. The first 15 minutes is actually given to Naveen Housing right from now till about 11:20, and then we'll have a Q&A session. And please do leave your name, mobile numbers, email IDs, and your company name in the chat box so that Naveen Housing can connect with you. I have also shared their phone number and their brochures with everybody over the relevant groups. So over to Naveen Housing now. Suresh and Tara, please actually take over.
Thank you, Mr. Amit. I would request Shishmita to start the presentation.
Hello.
Shishmita, you can share the screen.
Screen sharing is happening.
Yes. Screen sharing is enabled for you all. You can share your screen.
Okay. Okay. Happy morning to all. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Amit, for giving the opportunity to share about our project details. We at Naveens are very glad to be a part of this meeting. I think since, as Mr. Amit said, that already Naveens is a well-known brand, so I'm not here to give much of an introduction. But I would like to say that our team, Ms. Tara, GM Sales, CRM and Commercials, and Mr. Suresh, AGM Sales, and Mr. Satish, Channel Partner Sales, are here as part of our team. And I would like to tell our GM, Ms. Tara, to give a small introduction about.
Happy morning, all. Thank you, Mr. Amit, for giving us this wonderful opportunity. We'll just quickly take you through our products. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, able to hear.
Okay, thank you. So Naveens is, it's just not a name, but a brand of trust and credibility, a brand of quality and promises upkeep. So with more than 3 decades in real estate sector, with a humble beginning by Dr. Kumar, industry veteran who began his professional career with CMTA, who later on toiled with only determination as capital to establish brand Naveens. Naveens has cast a lasting footprint in Chennai, more particularly in residential landscape, with its 120 plus projects in prime locations. So nesting over 2,500 families, Naveens has created a bandwagon of niche clientele owing to its basic mantra, credibility. Our strategy and operations fueled by our director, Mr. Naveen, has paved way for best-in-class products and services. So with our enviable quality, impeccable timelines, a prompt and promise on project delivery, toasted with a panache portfolio in the glorious city of Namma, Chennai, covering all prime elite locations, starting from Medavakkam in North Chennai to Madavaram in North Chennai and to Medavakkam in South Chennai, Porur in the west and Adyar to east, comprising of ready to occupy, especially because we have a bouquet of projects which are ready to move in category and rapidly getting ready to occupy phases in line. So I'm requesting Sushmita to quickly run through the project and the commercial details for your better understanding. Thank you. Moving over to you, Sushmita.
Thank you, Ms. Tara. Since anyway, we have already know Mr. Kumar, but I'm just giving a small brief because this is a MD, Dr. Kumar, who is very well known in the industry and for all the ethical practices at SET. And he's been with CMDA, and after that, he's got his various degrees in the best of the universities and schools all over the world. And he's our MD, and with his professional experience and all the good positions he has hold. This is our leadership and management team. Mr. Vishwajit Naveen Kumar, he's the director. Ms. Bhavani is the executive director, and Ms. Vasudha is one of the other directors. So this is our team, the top management team. And why Naveens? Because as everyone knows, we have a very positive attitude, and we follow all the complete ethical business practices, and we'll make sure that the customer is happy. So that credibility, as said, the credibility, the trust, and the quality all together, we have complete ethical practices. And why Naveens? There are some few points which I would like to highlight. Locations, anywhere and all the Naveens projects, the location is one of the most important aspects. And we have good connectivity. We have the highest carpet and UDS area in the construction practices, and all our titles are perfect property titles because there won't be any litigation issues or anything like that. And strictly, we have all the approved plans. One of the best thing which I would like to highlight is we have 1,300 quality checks for every single apartment. So any place we take, it undergoes all these quality checks. So there will be the end result would be a very good product where the customer is actually very happy. And I'd just like to say a couple of awards which we have received recently for our Starwood Towers. We have got the IGBC awards, and we've got the CIDC Vishwakarma Award, and we got the Best Practices Award, PMA Award. So we have been practicing the most ethical quality in every aspect. So we've received these awards. So we're very happy to share that with you. And I would request Mr. Suresh, our AGM sales, to take over the residential projects. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushmita. You can change the slide now. Yes, thank you all. And see, we are currently running with roughly about 10 projects in city. Naveen Starwood Towers in Medavakkam, Naveen Sanctum in Rajakirpakkam, which is close to Tambaram, Naveen's Whiteberry in Moolakadai, Naveen Septum at Adyar Indra Nagar, Naveen's Kanda at Kodambakkam, Naveen's Eden Park at Porur, and Jayaram Garden at Manapakkam. We have a couple of projects which is upcoming. Already the puja is done. We have Valasaravakam Hanging Gardens. The name of the project is Hanging Garden at Valasaravakam, and Naveen Starwood Towers Phase 3 is shortly coming up this year. So these are the two upcoming projects we have planned this year. A small synopsis of Naveen Starwood Towers. It is in Mambakkam Main Road, Chitalapakkam Post, Vengai Vasal. Just 5 minutes drive from Medavakkam Junction, 1.5 kilometers from Medavakkam Junction. It comprises with 8 blocks and 2 commercial blocks. It's a 14-floor structure. We have a fantastic clubhouse of 18,500 square feet with 3 floors. This is the actual image of the clubhouse which you are looking at now. This is how the project is actually there. You can come and have a look at that. You'll understand. Regarding project, if you have any clarifications, even now you can ask me, or post the session also we can have as a Q&A, not an issue. And this is Naveen Sanctum. It is at Rajakirpakkam, just 1.5 kilometers from the Tambaram Velachery main road near Camp Road. It is 60 houses totally. It's a four-floor structure. 2-bedroom with 963 to 1048 square foot. 3 BHK from 1492 to 1650 square foot. Naveen Sanctum. Whiteberry is North Chennai. It's called as a queen of North Chennai because we are the only builder who is ready to move in there. Any other builder is there under construction only. So it's a tall building which is standing height, and it is about 224 flats in that project. 3 BHK, 1301 to 1480 square foot is available. Of course, we had 2 BHK, it's all sold out. And this is in Mulakadai. Naveen Skanda, it's a three-story building with 6 flats. We have 1 flat to go on that. It's a 2-bedroom flat of 1013 square foot. It is in Akbarbad Street, Kodambakam, which is very close to railway station. Eden Park, it is in Porur Kundratur main road. From Porur Junction, it is 2 kilometers on the main road on the right side of the road. We have 80 units there. Out of 80 units, we have some 9 units available. 3 BHK, 1364 square foot and 1471 square foot. It's also ready. Whatever I'm telling you, also all ready to move in. Kanda will be getting over this year end. Apart from it, everything is ready to move in. You can move in immediately. Next, Sushmita, you can take over with commercial projects. Sir, if you have any doubts, you can clarify now regarding the project, and any other clarifications needed, I can tell you.
Hello, thank you, Suresh sir. And I would just like to give a small brief about the commercial projects also. See, this is our commercial division, and we have office spaces and retail spaces. And office spaces we have at 5 locations, and retail spaces in 2 locations. And I would like to say that all our projects are in the prominent locations on the main roads. So first, I would like to say, like, Presidium. Presidium is a bang on the main road near the Nelson Manikam Road, just next to the Ampa Skywalk. We have a space of 1 unit of 4,300 square feet here. And this is a very good office space with all the car parking and all the good maintenance facilities. So if you have any client who would looking for a smaller space, like 4,000 square feet, and this is connected to the metro, everything is nearby. So all the transportation facilities. So any client looking for a small space, this would be one of the good option. And next is Naveen Shenoy Square. This is just, it's in OMR Perungudi. It's just 5 minutes from the Holiday Inn Hotel, just 5 minutes. It is also facing the main road, and it is in 4 floors. Each floor is around 3,000 square feet. So it's approximately around independent building of 12,000 square feet. So if anyone prefers to have just 1 floor, or they would like to take the whole building for any of the developments or their requirements, so this is one of the good option. It's very close, like from Adyar, it is hardly 7 minutes from the Madhya Kailash Road and everything. So this is also just bang on the main road. And this is Naveen Smerville. This is location on the Mount Road, just opposite to Anna Arivalayam. This is also an independent building. It's around 7,400 square feet. This is a fully furnished space. And this would be ideal for a small corporate building, bank on the main road, again facing the main road. So this is another one of our very good project who is looking for a small office space. And this is another Triumph Annex, Nandanam. So this is a new project just next to our office coming up, which has got a floor plate of around 6,000 square feet. So again, it is good for people who are looking for office space, new office space on the Mount Road location, Nandanam location. So these are the prestigious addresses with a prominent location and with a very good infrastructure facilities. One reason I would add up is because we have a very good interiors team. We have our own facility team. So anytime any of the projects, any residential or commercial projects, you take it up, we have our own in-house team which takes care of the projects. So it is maintained in a very good way. And if you want to do the interiors, we have a great support from the interiors team. So we would customize as per the customer's requirement. So in that case, I would like to add one more space. This is WSS Towers. This is also in Mount Road. This has got a little larger space of around 8,000 square feet. So any client who's looking to downsize from 20,000, if you have anyone looking, so these are the options. And I have couple of retail spaces. So in Naveen's Eden Park, a residential project, in that road facing, we have a couple of showroom spaces around 1,500 square feet, 1,200 square feet spaces. This is good for any kind of projects such like a supermarket, or if you want to have a showroom, furniture showroom, brands, any clothing showroom. So this is again bang on the main road, like so you have a good parking facility. So one thing I would like to add up in all our projects is there is no issue of the parking facility, because that's one of the main challenge all the commercial spaces have. But that I would like to say we have ample car parking facilities for all the floors. And this is in our Starwood Towers, we have a block, commercial block, and we have various spaces in this from 2,000, ranging from 400 square feet to 2,600 square feet. So we have existing, there's a supermarket, a laundry unit, and a salon, and an ice cream parlor that has been opened. We have a very good space for restaurant. So anyone looking up to for a restaurant space, this will be a good option, because you get a captive client of at least 3,000 to 4,000 families in the next couple of years. And now the first phase is done and the second phase is also done. And adjacent, there are a couple of buildings. So it's though it's a commercial block, inside now Starwood Towers, we have it's a public access. And now we are going to sign up for a bank also. So this would be a self-sufficient unit, and it would be having a good captive client. So this is one good option to open up any retail spaces for banks. Apart from that, restaurant spaces or any other shops which you have in mind for any of your clients. So these are the options. So these are the commercial spaces we have. And again, I would like to add up is regarding the quality, support, credibility, everything. You can be rest assured that from Naveens, we at Naveens take very good care and utmost importance to all the clients, customer, to the partners who bring in the clients, and 100% the quality would be assured with complete support for all our projects. So this is, I would like to Ms. Tara to take over for sharing about our becoming a channel partner, or Mr. Satish can take over. Yeah, sorry.
Thank you, Sushmita. Happy morning all. Become a channel partners. Yes, we at Naveens, we are happily working with our associates. Initially, you can enroll with Naveens with some agreement signing process. Then you can register your leads. We have an exclusive mail ID, that is a channel partners at naveens.in. So once you register your leads before 1 p.m., you will get the lead status within the same day before 6 p.m. If you registered after 1 p.m., you will get the revert back for 1 p.m. This is our process. And yes, you have a payment structure. The payment is 2% initially. That will be released. We have also prompt structure that payout gets released. If you have any doubts about the lead registration or enroll process, you can feel free to contact me. Sushmita?
Mr. Amit can take over. I think we briefed about the products and process which we follow for channel partner registration. So if there is any query or questions, can be raised.
Yes, so
I have a query.
The team at Naveens, thank you so much for the presentation, and we'll actually start with the Q&A session. Over to Vinay Asrani to actually manage the meeting.
Hi, I'm Vinay here from Luxclusive Homes, partner of Amit. Here, you had mentioned about a project called Septim, which is in Indiranagar. We're not able to see that slide of Septim. Did you'll have the Septim slide also in your presentation?
Sir, actually, yeah, Yeah, Tara, please.
No, Septum is almost sold out. We're just left with the last one unit. So
Okay.
that's
Okay.
the main reason.
Okay. Now most of the channel partners in this meeting will now have doubts as to the pricing of each project, and how do we go about that? Should a channel partner get in touch with you all based on the projects that they are interested in working, or which is their core strength, and then you all will share all details of the sizes, prices, availability, and will you all put them on to that one point of contact, because always that one point of contact works very well in our industry. How does that work?
Sure. We have a channel partner team. Satish is heading the team. So he will be the one point of contact for all the channel partners. So his name is his number and email ID is also being shared in the PPT, and plus we've also shared it with Mr. Amit. So we would request you to just get connected with Mr. Satish. So he will take you through the complete process. So it's going to be a very hassle-free process and transaction. So he's available through WhatsApp, over a phone call, through email. So you can always get in touch with him. And he will be able to immediately facilitate the requirements. And if there is any doubt, can be always cleared. And plus, with reference to the pricing and the product details, we have e-brochures which can be immediately shared through WhatsApp. Pricing, as you already know, each project, the pricing keeps varying. So those details, I think Mr. Satish would be the best person to share it with you then and there, because the price keeps changing time to time. So now that the raw material costs are also been increasing, so there's been a fluctuation in the price also. So I think Satish would help you out time to time on the pricing details, so you need not worry about that.
Okay. Tara, can I ask you a question? Indra here.
Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Indra.
Oh, hi, Indra. Yes.
Hi. You talked about one OMR commercial building, Naveen Shenoy Square, right? That's
yes.
As of now, what is the current price?
As of now?
Yeah. Price. Sale price.
See, it's all our commercial projects are not for sale. It's only for leasing or rentals. So this is
the rent price.
See, the pricing factor, as I told you, we can one-to-one, we can share it with you, because it's always, we can always discuss on the price. So we don't stand by the actual. So you can always get connected with Shushmita. She's handling the commercials. So I can ask Shushmita to get in touch with you on the details. That would
so is
be
it a mansion or a furnished place?
It's a warm shell.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, Tara. This is Purushottam here. Thank you so much. You just gave in a payout. You were saying as a payout mentioned as 2% for all channel partners. Just a little to know a little brief on the structure. Normally you follow a set kind of a process that I think like normal other developers do follow. I think you should be following that there is a particular slab that unless the customer makes a particular set percentage of a payment, and after which the product is registered, then you would release the service charges. I would like to know at what percentage, maybe of the total cost, for example, around 25% of the product cost you receive, you register, as normally today you have to register based on your construction agreement. After that is being done, then you release the payout, or how is the system it works with you? I mean, it's my first interaction with you all. So I just like to understand that a little more in detail.
Hi, Mr. Purushottam. The payouts, basically, the biggest advantage with Naveens is that we have mostly ready to occupy range. So the products what is currently available with us is ready to occupy. So which means you book up a apartment today, you get a delivery within 30 to 40 days time. So that's the advantage with us right now. So when it comes to the payout, it becomes even more easier for us because as a norm, as soon as you book an apartment, you either have to register the agreement within a certain time frame, which is already prescribed by the registrar. So which means our payment schedule as such, like within, we collect the booking advance. So within 10 days, we collect 25% of the payment. And within 30 days, the entire 100% gets completed. So which means you can start raising your invoice within 30 days. So it is that easy. But when it comes to the ongoing project, we have a couple of ongoing projects where we insist the agreement registration at least to be completed, because agreement registration has a timeline today. Where within 90 days or within 120 days, you have to register the agreement. So as soon as the registration of the agreement is over, you can start raising the invoice.
But then what's the time frame period you give, you release the payments? Probably within 30 days?
See, from the date of the receipt of the invoice, we just take 15 days.
Thank you, Tara.
It's always been a prompt, process on the payouts. I'm sure most of the ongoing channel partners who've been very active with us would vouch it, because once we receive the invoice, we don't delay it much, because we always give that, we always keep educating the channel partners to raise the invoice. So as soon as they raise the invoice, within 15 days is a maximum time frame which we have allocated. So within 15 days, it gets released.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Praveena here. I just have a question for Mr. Suresh, who was talking about the residential projects. Now we have, you were mentioning about a residential project called Eden Park in Porur, right? So just wanted to know, is this the phase 2 that we are talking about in Eden Park? Because Eden Park, is it the one that is on the main road from Porur to Kundratur? Is that the one we are talking about?
If
exactly.
If Suresh doesn't mind, I can probably address this. I would
Yes,
please go ahead, please.
See, this is the original product which was earlier available at Porur. In between, we had had a tie-up with the co-living option. So where we had released these few units for co-living options. So now these products have come for a sale where we give them an assured rentals kind. So, but now depending on the current scenario where the co-living options are becoming little, sensitive. So we are going back and selling the products.
Right. So, so how old is this project? Can I know how old is this?
5 years.
Okay. 5 years, right?
But, each unit, when we are delivering it, it will be, completely done up. It is going to be the flat, which will be completely done up. And still, if you look at the process on the sale, we still treat it as an UDS registration, though it is a completed project. So there is a benefit to the customer also. He saves a lot of money on the registration part also.
Right. So it goes back to the old structure, right? So, okay. Because I've been looking at this project for quite some time. So I just wanted to, figure out how old this is so that we can tell the customers. And what about Jairam Garden? Is that the phase 2 we are talking about? Or is it the same way like Eden?
Same as Eden.
Same as Eden. Okay. Thanks, Tara. Thank you, Suresh.
Mr. Satish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Satish, this is Balaji, Chennai Property Loans. I would like to know, I've already signed up with you during last COVID lockdowns. And what is the lead registration validity? And I also wanted to ask you whether you give accompanied site visits the more important or the lead registrations, one. And my request to you is to start a regular communication channel regarding the projects to the CPs whoever assigned with you, communicating about the availability, sizes, or the prices, whenever it gets increased or any offers. I request you to start the communication channel with the CPs also.
Okay, sir, we have a CP group Those who are enrolled already exist CPs. We are communicating always. For new channel partners, I'll include the channel partners in the CP group, and I'll communicate in the future.
Okay, please. In that case, I would like to be included in that. I've already signed up with you.
Sure, sir.
And
sure.
I've started sending you the leads, and I've started speaking about the projects and marketing activities have been started already by me.
Okay.
But I'm not added into that group.
I'll add it, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Balaji. Thanks for the feedback. We will ensure that you've been included in the group. There has been periodic communications with respect to any launches, or if there is any offer going on. I will ensure that Satish communicates, because now that we have a full-fledged team, I'm sure you'll be getting a periodic communication from us. So even if there is anything which is getting missed off, I would request you to get in touch with Satish so that we'll be able to include you and facilitate the materials to you. Thank you.
Sure,
my
sure.
question.
Thank you, Tara.
This is Mujib. Yeah, can I ask a question, please? Hello.
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, this is Mujibur Rahman. I just want to ask the Mr. Satish, what is the status of a duplicate lead?
Sir, we can avoid the duplicate leads. That's why we have a process of lead registration. See, if the lead is a new, once the CPs are registered the lead, those who are registered the first person, they will get the credit for the lead. For second lead, we make it as a duplicate lead. However, we provide the credits if the CP will do accompany and try to close the lead.
Fair enough, fair enough. And second thing I want to ask you is, can you highlight a little more about your Mulakadai project?
Yes, the project name is Whiteberry. It is a 224 apartments. There is our 2 towers. Excuse me, Shushmita, please open the slide. So that is our 2 towers. The shape seems the edge shape, because we designed the shape because all the units will get a cross ventilation and natural lighting. That's what we designed the structure. It is still plus 12 floor structure. The units of 224. Yes, we had a configuration of 2 and 3 bedrooms. Currently, the available is 3. In 3 bedroom, we have 2 different sizes, which is 1301 and 1480.
What could be the price?
That I'll share you in person, sir.
Are you giving a square feet or a box price?
No, we have only unit price. We are not selling by per square feet concept, because usually our carpet area in all the projects. Hope you heard about the carpet area, because in Chennai market the carpet area is 62 to 67% normally, whereas in Naveens we maintain more than 70% from all the projects. Especially in Whiteberry, you'll get minimum of 72% to 74%. If you're going to 1301, the customer choose 1301, they will get 936 square feet of carpet area, which is actually 72%. If goes to 1480, they will get 74% of carpet area, which is 1101 square feet. And second, our UDS. Take it as an example. In Whiteberry, normally in a multi-story apartment, the UDS would be 20 to 25%, whereas we provided a minimum of 36% of UDS. That's why we are not trusting per square feet concept. We are selling only by unit price.
So one question, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Satish.
Thank you. May I ask? Hello.
Yes,
sir. Sir, what is the validity period of a lead generation, sir?
Tarama, please.
In today's scenario, the lead, when it is registered by a channel partner, we give them credit for 3 months. But we always insist that person to push for a visit, because like Mr. Balaji also asked, we facilitate visits for the client, for your clients. So we always request the channel partners to also take that initiative and push them to the site as early as possible, because we've been getting leads through different mediums. I'm sure, like the builder is being, getting leads from portals and social media and from the digital platforms. I'm sure the channel partners are having, sources from these mediums. So to avoid duplication, to avoid repetition of leads, so we always request the channel partner to first push them for a visit. So the minute they push them for a visit and we see some serious clientele, we immediately offer them the credit, and we would want to facilitate that. So the same implies with the different channel partner who's getting the same lead within a day or two or within a week or so. So the one thing which we keep educating them is that push them for a visit. Whoever pushes them for a visit in the first place, they would be able to get the credit. So today we all work on those lines.
Fine, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So can I, regarding the same, Tara, can I just take it one step further? Yeah. If the lead is registered by Purushottam and he has 3 months time, and within the 3 months, Purushottam is not able to bring the client for a site visit, and some other channel partner brings the same client for a site visit, so you mean the credit will shift from Purushottam to the other channel partner? I
will definitely say yes, because the effort, what is gone behind it matters. Because if that person is not able to or contact and bring him to the visit, when another person is able to do that, I'm sure we will be able to acknowledge the effort which is taken by the other person who's pushing them for a visit. So that matters. That definitely needs to be appreciated. So we give them the credit. There is always a note which we mention in the email. So we always say that even if it is a duplication lead, even the lead, if it is already existing with us, we always insist on bringing to the site. If that particular channel partner is able to go to that extra mile and bring them to the site, then we will always look at giving the credit to that person. And we have done that in the past also.
Yeah, would this be a part of the agreement you enter with the CP?
So the agreement is very clear. The agreement, as you all know, it's going to be in a very, very fine print. But the mail communication part will acknowledge when a lead is received. In that mail, I would always state this.
You would always say that. So yes. There is an assurance.
Yes.
Because most of the time we work very hard. And when we take the actual
I think the sanctity of the lead and the how much of effort which is being put in, Satish will be able to vouch it, and that's why we have a channel partner head who will be able to constantly monitor on these lines to support you people.
Why I'm asking this question is because I had a very bad experience with a particular builder. After putting all the efforts, having made the payment, then I get a call saying congratulations. Then I get a call saying sorry, the lead is not yours.
Mujibhai and I would like to add to what Tara said. They are transparent in that.
I would like to hear that. I would like to hear that from Tara. Balaji, I would like to hear that from Tara.
In the first instance,
thank you, Mr. Mujibhai. That's why we first started. That's why we first started. It's an ethical business. So when we give you a confirmation, we will always stick on to it, no matter what happens.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That's very kind.
Thank you. Thank you, Tara, madam. Because
that is how Mr. Kumar has brought using Naveen brand. He is known for his transparency. When I took the CP also, when I spoke to him, the moment immediately he said accompanied site visit will be given a priority, and whoever works for the builder and the brand project will be given a credit. He said just like that, passing on the lead, he won't give us credit. We may follow is what he said. He will follow. The credit may be given.
Absolutely, absolutely.
He is taking the client to the site, and he should be given a credit, and which really I appreciate in Naveen.
Thank you, Balaji, for speaking on behalf of Naveen. And I think I got the assurance from Tara also that yes, the accompanied site visit will get the credit. Thank you both. Thank you, ma'am.
Again, whatever is the payout also, again, like what I said yesterday's CP meet, that is applicable to Naveen also. Naveen also follows that, and their payouts are also released on time.
These are the small points which encourage us to work with the builder.
Yes, certainly, certainly.
So we want many more of you to, actively participate, because the advantage here is ready to occupy. Today in the market, not most of the builders have ready to occupy products with them. So request you to, extend the business with us, so that, we'll have a much more cordial relationships with all of you, so that, it'll also be very happy for us to keep facilitating the requirements.
Yeah, love to. We don't only work for money, we also work for our clients. We should do justice to our profession. As a RRR registered realtors, so certainly we will do justice and we'll bring to the good brand only.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And Tara, I have a question for you. Indra here again. What is the process you follow the moment the lead is registered? How quickly the customer gets a call? And just wanted to know the process inside the company.
The same day, it is always believed that, any lead which is been touch based after, say, even 10 or 15 minutes, it goes cold. So we always insist on touching base with the customer with immediate effect as soon as a lead is registered with us. So from our end, we have a telecalling team who calls the customer, who fixes up who pushes them for a visit. And simultaneously, Satish also gets in touch with the channel partner to push them for a visit. So this way, both the ends we keep So accordingly, we ensure that as early as possible, the client visits our site, and further discussion is taken over by the sales team.
Okay. Is there any kind of communication once the customer visits and then let's say he makes the booking? Is there any kind of communication to channel?
Will keep you posted on that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And my next question will be to Mr. Suresh. Is he there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Mr. Suresh.
Hi.
Your Rajkiripakam project is really a beautiful one.
Thank
we
you.
did do a couple of site visits.
Oh, great.
Just wanted to understand what is the inventory left there for 2 BHK?
2 BHK, we have very few units, madam. We have another 3 or 4 units in 2-bedroom. We have 6, 7 units of 3 bedrooms.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes. Got it. Yeah.
Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm Ramnath from Strategic.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. It's not clear.
It's clear now?
Better, sir. Solunga. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, it's clear now?
It's low.
Nandanam project you are giving this commercial, no? What is the price per square feet?
That's what Sir Tara told regarding the price of commercials. We can one-to-one discuss on that. You can contact Sushmita on this.
His name, she can get in touch.
Okay, fine, right. Thank
we
you.
will ask Sushmita to get in touch, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, we didn't get your name, sir.
I'm Ramanathan, madam. I'm Ramanathan from Strategic Global Reality Services.
Strategic Global Reality, right, sir? Your name, sir?
Ramanathan.
Sushmita, you can just make a note and you can get in touch with them.
Okay, ma'am. I will do that.
Strategic Global.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Kindly share the Sushmita madam visiting card.
Yes.
You can open the PPT, the last slide, Sushmita, where your email ID and Satish email ID has been presented, so that people can just make a note.
Okay, thanks.
This one is there. So for all commercial inquiries, details, retail and office spaces, you can get in touch with me.
Can you just quote your phone number, please?
93840.
Go ahead.
06133.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Any other questions, sir?
Hope we addressed all your queries. We would like
Hello.
to.
Good morning, Subramaniam here. Just wanted to know, supposing we are not registered with RERA, what is the procedure, ma'am? We can still market it and bring the clients, and or it is mandatory to have a RERA registration, ma'am, number.
We do have projects which are not under RERA, so where you can straight away, bring in clients, and if there is a condition, you can take the payouts. But provided you get yourself enrolled with us. But if it's a RERA project, then we always insist the channel partners to have a RERA registration done, because during the payout, we require that certificate, sir.
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
I think to supplement to what Tara said now, Mr. Subramaniam, what you can do is, suppose you are closing a deal. Even after closing a deal, you can have yourself RERA registered. But it hardly takes about 10-15 days.
Okay, sir.
So
And what is the cost?
Cost
now, sir? 65.
Individual should be about 25,000 individual.
Okay.
And company should be about 50. I think if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. And after when you're raising your the invoice, you can submit the RERA number.
That's fine, sir. That's fine. Thanks for your advice. Thanks.
Thanks, sir.
Subramani, you can do it online itself. He's
Fine,
right.
sir.
55 and
Fine,
51,
sir.
you can do it online itself.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Hello. Hello. Am I there?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. This is Sridhar here. A very simple suggestion. I mean, this is a very focused group presentation. Basically, everybody are CPs and realtors out here. I still feel that like to have a more transparent dealing, the whole thing, the prices can be discussed than having a one-to-one. I mean, this is not a general forum where you have going to have non-realtors and all that. Once the prices are discussed, it gives us an idea, a fair idea. I mean, and then we can also get back to you immediately, asking why these prices are so dynamic here and there and all that. I mean, maybe you're not prepared with the prices now. I understand. Maybe next time we do a presentation, you can come with the prices. Just a suggestion.
Thank you, Mr. Sridhar, for the feedback. As I initially told you, the price keeps varying, because today, if I'm going to give out a price, and tomorrow we'll never know whether the same price is going to be. Sorry? Okay, so it's always better to share one-to-one during our one-to-one discussion, because so that you'll have more clarity. The range factor, we can always say, if you take our Medavakkam project, Starwood project, it's a smart home where it starts from 40 lakhs and goes up to 1.10 crore. So the bandwidth can be always told, but then if it comes to a particular unit and choosing of a particular unit, then it keeps varying. So that's why we said it would be better if we can discuss it one-to-one. The same with commercials also, because we are open for discussion, as I rightly told you. So we don't want to restrict with this price factor. So if there is any clientele and you know about the market conditions prevailing in that particular area, so you can always bring your clients to us and we'll be able to clinch the deal. Thank you.
I think most of the Q&As are over. And any other further questions from anyone over here?
Sir, I just wanted to know what is the approximate size in Indiranagar project, sir, and what is the price, sir? Supposing we have some clients, we can always target that.
That's what they said, that I think they have only one unit in September.
But still we can get that details.
Sir, it is 941 square foot, 941 square foot. We have one unit left.
Okay.
All inclusive price will be roughly around 1.7.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
And
Sir,
this is a 2 BHK, right?
Yes, sir. It is a 2 BHK.
2 BHK. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Any more queries? I think we are done. And Indra?
Yeah. So I've just done an unmute, Vinay. Probably people are not aware that they are in mute, or maybe they have some questions, because we have very less number of questions to Naveen's today. We had a lot of questions for the yesterday's builder. So anybody who would like to ask a question to Naveen, so they are readily available, free during lockdown. Please ask your questions. And I have one question for Naveen. You have a project in Tirumudi Vakam. Is that all sold? Suresh, I think, yeah.
Hi, Indra. Tirumudi Vakam is currently being on hold. There we do have phases. Right now we have completed the first phase. So the other phases are going to commence very shortly. We are changing the plans for the other phases. So hopefully we should be commencing in this financial year.
Okay, thank you very much.
A question for me for Tara Madam. Do you have any plans to open up with any projects down at OMR at the moment?
OMR is one place where Dr. Kumar is not very inclined towards, because we always believe that when we are selecting a location, we would want we look into a lot of other parameters. So in that way,
Tara, your voice got muted, I think. I mean, for some time it is not audible. Like, you can come back once. You can revert it one second.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, yes.
Is it?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So yes, I was just telling that we are not too very keen with that particular location. So I don't think we'll be able to do any projects in that location anymore, because we are older, and plus there's always a water shortage problem which is prevailing. So considering all that, I don't think we'll be able to move into that location. That was not at all in our cards. No, Dr. Kumar does not prefer that location. So I don't think.
Right. Yeah, my last question to Naveen would be, like most of the builders, are you also venturing into plotted development?
So as of now, no, but then in future we might.
Thank you.
Depending on the demand.
Thank you.
But one more additional point is that we do plotted development in Vizag. If you have any people at Vizag who is interested to buy a plot, we have one in Vizag.
Yeah.
For your information.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay, and Tara,
Yes,
now that you have not, you have told about the
for highlighting that.
Can you hear me, Tara?
Sorry, I missed you in between. Can you repeat, please?
Okay, you said the prices we'll do like one-to-one with the the relationship managers, like from your office. What is the commission structure? Is that also like you reveal now, or how it is? Because we have a standard, commission structure when it comes to builders, right? So what is it that Naveen's offers to channel partners?
Would you like to take it on, or would you want me to say that? Okay, I think Sushmita is not there. The same is with the commercial also. So 2% is what on the monthly rentals we pay out.
Okay. Okay, all right.
For rental,
Indra, I would like to add to your comment and Sridhar's comment. The pricing is not disclosed. The reason being is, most of the projects are ready to move in project, and they wanted to have a discussion one-on-one with the clients, and then, maybe a negotiation, they will make it positive. So that is another reason I think they are not able to share. And for OMR, Mr. Kumar wants us to stand out from the crowd of CREDAI builders. He don't want his funds to get locked in OMR maybe.
Balaji, I agree to your point. But you know what happens, you know, when you go for your online applications and you have to be, the customers always, the bottom line ultimately is a number game. It's the pricing factor. I hope you realize that. Even though, you know, when we converse with a lot of clients online and when they come back to us and inquiry, just this morning I was with a client. The first thing said, sir, you have given this advertisement, but the bottom line is, what's the price? I said, sir, the pricing is this much. He's saying my budget is so much, but I can stretch only up to XY. So at the point gap, if the client says, if it fits my budget, let's talk. Otherwise, let's drop the matter. So it's, you know, for us difficult just practically to open up and say, sorry, sir, I don't have the pricing. I'll check with the builder and come back to you. I cannot take an advertisement like that. It's practically impossible. So I think we should connect with Naveen's, get the pricing factor, then take the initiative forward with the online applications is what I suggest. Balance
Yes,
it.
you're right.
You
are right. They will disclose it once you sign up with them as a CP.
Sir, if you look at our websites, the base price has always been listed. So for all our projects, all our units.
With no personal grudges, it's just a practical note.
Not at all. No, the point here is that when he comes and physically has a look at the product, you know, the mentality or the mindset of the customer definitely changes.
During this lockdown period, we have given a number of virtual site visits also to clients. So we have faced this practicality, and ultimately, you know, definitely, yes, we will sign up with Naveen. But it's more a kind of a bonding what we take it. Unless you join hands, we cannot take it forward. So it's ultimately, it's a give and take relationship. It should be a win-win relationship. That's what I look at.
Got it, absolutely.
Yeah,
thanks a lot.
Because Tara, this meeting is happening with all the builders. I mean, we are getting the prices, okay? So you can always mention disclaimer that it is only the currently price. Yeah.
We always believe in showing you the product, explaining our the features, what we provide. So the pricing factor always comes in the last. So Dr. Kumar always keeps saying price comes in the last. So even during our discussion with the clientele, we never disclose the price in the initial stage. So we first ensure that, you know, the client understands what kind of a product we are offering, and then we get into the price discussion. So this has been our mantra from the beginning. So that's why I said, even if you know the you know, figure of the budget of the particular client, I'm sure today nobody knows the entire budget. You know, he would definitely have something in mind, and he would declare something, you know, verbally. So once there are a lot of clients who have come and visited our project, and they have also stretched their budget. So after they, you know, understanding it, and after they liking the project. So that way we always insist them to first visit the project, have a look at it, and then, you know, decide. That's why
I agree with you, Tara. You're talking from the brand point of view. Okay. What we are talking is, we are talking from the point of channel partners. Only when we get an idea, we actually fix the customers into that bucket. Only if I know,
Indra,
okay, you know, this is the budget of your, I will suggest. Yeah, yeah.
Indra, can I come in? Thanks, Tara ma'am. You have given us the good reply to that. But I only just to bridge the gap. Just to bridge the gap. Am I audible? I think.
I think you can unmute.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, yes.
Yes. To add to what Indra also and to bridge the gap, my suggestion is like we channel partners would like to to have a real-time experience. Unless we do not see your product, we wouldn't be in a position to explain to the clients also about your product. So my humble request would be like if we all channel partners could probably fix up a day and come down together to see all your projects at one go. That would give a better idea and a presentation at each and every site. Would give us a total in-depth knowledge with the required inputs for the projects, and taking up the projects with the clients will make things more flexible, more easier for us. And where there is a need for an explanation required, we can pitch in and bridge the gap. So that's my request to you. If you can accommodate us for this kind of an requirement, it will be wonderful for us.
No,
Thank you so much.
That's a very good idea, and we've been doing that also. You're all interested, we can facilitate that. We always first insist our channel partners to come and have a look at the projects first. So I'll ask Satish to coordinate and ensure that this has been taken care.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm Mahadev. Opposite to Mahindra City, you are having one project is going on, no? That Naveen's near Kolattur, Talimangala. A residential project. Are you hear me?
Opposite to Mahindra City?
Yes, in GST Road. 4 kilometers inside, we heard one project is going on for Naveen near Talimangalam, that village name. We have received one details. Is there any idea of expansion of that project, of your existing project in Kolattur, opposite to Mahindra City? It is Naveen, it is your project only, no?
No, sir, we don't have any projects there.
Not commercial,
Suresh, are
it
you
is a residential project.
I think sir அது வேற ஏதாவது ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக்ல இருந்திருக்க ஐடியா இல்ல போட மாட்டாங்க because we are very well
no it is
connected to all the projects which we are currently going on. அவ்வளவு தூரத்துல வந்து வராது சார் இப்போதைக்கு இல்ல. Sir, you are not audible.
நவீன்க்கு போட்டுருந்துது அதனால தான் செக் பண்ணேன்.
Okay. இல்ல ஆக்சுவலா இல்ல மேபி நம்ம செக் பண்ணலாம் அது வேற ஏதாவது.
Okay, sir. Because we have one of our customers' land is there around 1 to 2 acres. So if you are planning for any expansion, so that I can share the details. That's why.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I think, Satish, we've been getting a lot of response on the chat box also. They've been sharing their email ID and contact number. I hope you're noting down everything. I would want you to just get in touch with them.
Yes, ma'am, I'll note it.
Thank you.
Mr. Vinay?
Yes, Mujib bhai.
Yeah, I think we are almost towards the end.
Yes.
So, thank Naveen and Naveen's and their entire team to educate us through their projects. And I'm sure most of the channel partners are very excited. They will select their projects that they would like to work, get in touch with their respective teams, the residential team and commercial team separately, take the details and move forward. They can register themselves as a CP with Naveen's, and then Naveen's will go the extra mile in sharing all those details and move forward from there. So I think we can wind it up now.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And one final note, sir, on behalf of Naveen Sales channel partner team.
Yes.
Everyone is okay with Tamil also, right?
Yes,
Yes, please go ahead, sir.
Very much. Even North Indians living in Chennai, they speak Tamil.
Nobody. அல்ல யாருமே தமிழ் பேசவே இல்ல எல்லாம் இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பேசுறீங்க.
இல்ல சார் நீங்க நல்லா ஹேண்ட்ஸமா இருக்கீங்க, நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பேசுவீங்க நினைச்சோம், இல்லனா தமிழ்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேசுவீங்க.
வினய் அச்ரானி சாரோட ஹேண்ட்ஸமா இருக்கேன் நான்.
சார் அவர் பேசுறாங்க சார்.
Thank you.
இல்ல நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, see we'll all work together, join hands and work together. ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றது என்னன்னா, நீங்க கஸ்டமரை சைடுக்கு கொண்டு வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா you will see lot of difference in the customer when they visit Naveen's product பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க வேற எந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பார்த்தாலுமே அவங்க மைண்ட்ல Naveen's ப்ராடக்ட் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா the way it was presented, the way it was built, the quality of construction and the amenities which you provide, அவங்க மைண்ட்ல இருந்து அது போகவே போகாது. So my request is you bring them inside, we will make sure they don't go outside without booking. right?
Good.
So we as a sales team are very capable enough to convince the customer on whatever budget இருந்துனா நவீன்ஸ்ல வாங்காம போறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்ல சார். நீங்க கஸ்டமரை கூட்டுவாங்க, இட்ஸ் our responsibility to make them book and then go to the site. வேற வழி இல்லைன்னா பட்ஜெட் இல்லைன்னா மட்டும்தான் அவங்களால போக முடியுமே தவிர ப்ராடக்ட் இல்ல சரியில்லைன்னு போகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இல்லை. அப்படி நடந்ததும் கிடையாது. So come, we will work together, join hands and make a great success in our all ventures. Thank you so much. அது சொல்லணும்னு நினைச்சேன்.
Yeah, just to add to that, what Mr. Suresh said, sir, உங்களோட நவீன் உங்ககிட்ட அந்த திருமுடிவாக்கம் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பத்தி கேட்டிருந்தேன் இல்லையா? So அங்க வந்து I've stayed there for almost 2 years in a rental apartment. So the best thing about that is, as you said, the quality and the corridor எல்லாம் பெருசா இருக்கும். அந்த நடக்கிற அந்த வெளியில outside space is so huge and அங்க demand இருக்கு. That's why I asked you. So you said I think it is
very shortly we will commence madam. அதே நீங்க திருமுடிவாக்கம் சொல்றீங்க, இப்ப இந்த ஸ்டார்வுட் டவர்ஸ் வந்து பாருங்க, நார்மலா 5 அடி கொடுக்குற காரிடார்ல நான் 6 அடி காரிடார் கொடுத்துருப்பேன். உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃபீலே வரும் உங்களுக்கு. லாட் ஆஃப் ஆடட் அட்வான்டேஜ், அந்த ஒரு பீஸ்ஃபுல் பிளிஸ் லைஃப் வாழ்றதுக்கு உண்டான எல்லாமே அங்க இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனாலதான் அவங்க வந்து ரேட்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி ப்ராடக்ட பார்க்கணும்னு நாங்க ஃபீல் பண்றதுமே அதான். ஏன்னா எக்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு ரேட் இருக்கும், ஒய் ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு ரேட் இருக்கும். இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு ஏன் இந்த ரேட்ன்றது அவங்க வந்து பார்த்தாதான் புரியும். நீங்க கொண்டு வாங்க, மிச்ச விஷயங்களை நாங்க பாத்துக்கோம். That's all. பாத்துக்கோம். All the very best to everybody. Thanks for everyone to join in this group.
Thank you. Thank you,
Have a great day. Have a great life. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
much. Tara, I need to say from you.
Thank you.
Vinay. Thank you, Mr. Amit. எல்லாருக்கும் உங்களோட டைம் எடுத்துட்டு இவ்வளவு நேரம் எங்களோட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. Looking forward for many more opportunities. Thank you so much. You can always get in touch with us. We are always reachable through phone call, through WhatsApp. So we'll be more than glad to assist you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tara. Thank you.
Thanks, Amit.
Thank you.
Thanks, Vinay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Most